Leveraging geometry rules. In this task, we use the geometry rules selection tools. Disable all datum display types. In the ribbon, select the Flexible Modeling tab. Select the front face, as shown. Note that the geometry rules are activated when the seed surface is selected. Click Geometry Rules from the Recognize and Select group. In the Geometry Rules dialog box, select the Coplanar checkbox. Note, the front face of the larger protrusion is now highlighted because it is coplanar with the seed surface. Clear the Coplanar checkbox. Select the Parallel checkbox. Note, not only is the previous coplanar surface selected, but all parallel surfaces in the model are also now highlighted. Note, remember that geometry rules are dynamic rules that are applied during the surface collection process. These rules are evaluated with every model regeneration. Click OK to close the Geometry Rules dialog box. Click in the background of the graphics window to deselect all geometry. Select the cylindrical surface as shown. Click Geometry Rules. Select the Coaxial checkbox. Note, not only is the obvious whole surface highlighted, but also the top chamfer and the bottom round surfaces are now highlighted. Click OK to close the Geometry Rules dialog box. Click in the background of the graphics window to deselect all geometry. Select one of the round surfaces at the top edge of the pocket, as shown. Click Geometry Rules. Clear the Coaxial checkbox. Select the Equal Radius Rule option. Note, all surfaces with the same radius as the seed surfaces are highlighted. Click OK to close the Geometry Rules dialog box. Click in the background of the graphics window to deselect all geometry. Select the cylindrical surface as shown. Click Geometry Rules. Clear the Equal Radius checkbox. Select the same Convexity Rule option. Note, because the cylinder is convex, all convex surfaces in the entire model are now highlighted. With the same convexity rule still selected, also select Coaxial. Select all applicable rules if necessary to satisfy both selected rules and reduce the collection as shown. Note, in this case, when both coaxial and same convexity rules apply, only the cylinder's outer surface is highlighted. Select any applicable rules to satisfy any of the selected rules and expand the collection as shown. This completes the demonstration.